Good afternoon, students. Last class we discussed about continuous time Fourier series properties and problems. Today we discuss about the formulas of continuous time Fourier series and problems relevant to this problem. Okay. First we see this problem for the linearly time invariant system shown in the figure. The output y of t is expressed. We know that the formula y of t is equal to integral of minus infinity to infinity h of tau x of t minus tau into dt, where h of t is a impulse response and x of t is our input. So we know that the system, the linearly time invariant system is h of t. The input will get transferred to y of t. So the transfer formation of the input signal is nothing but h of t into x of t. So this x of t gets some delay, that is we denoted as tau. So here that x of t signal will getting that replacement of x of t minus tau into dt. Okay, so now we considering this x of t is equal to e power j omega t. So y of t is equal to integral of minus infinity to infinity h of tau e power, we know that the x of t is nothing but e power j omega t. So e power j omega, we getting the delay element as delay answer only. So t minus tau into d tau. So e power j omega t integral of minus infinity to infinity h of tau e power j omega. We is splitting this term and getting that value of e power minus j omega into tau into dt. So now this entire form is nothing but our eigenvalue. So we considering this as eigenvalue as h omega. So e power j omega t is eigenvalue and eigen factor h of omega. So this is the expressions we going to discuss in the entire problem. The next we move on with the problem. We move on with the problem. We are given that the first order expression differential equation is in the form of d by dy of t into by dt plus a into y of t is equal to x of t. Where in this part we considering this x of t is nothing but above expressions. We are taking from this expression. So x of t is equal to e power j omega t. So that y of t is nothing but e power j omega. We getting that answer here, the x of t is equal to, what is our answer? That is, what is output? Y of t is equal to e power j omega t into h of t. So that we considering the same equations for this problem also. So d into y of t by dt is equal to j into omega into e power j omega t into h of t. Because we considering this equation d by y of t. So y of t is nothing but e power j omega t into h of t. This h of omega is getting from this x of t. Okay, so d into y of t by dt is equal to j w e power j omega into h of omega. So now substituting this equation by replacing this place d by dy of t, nothing but we differentiate our y of t. So y of t is getting differentiate means we getting that expression j omega e power j omega into h of t. Then we multiplying with a constant value or scalar value with the y of t. So a into e power j omega t into h of omega t is equal to e power j omega t. And j omega we considering this entire equations, we eliminating e power j omega t in both the side. So the eliminating of e power j omega t in the above expressions, we getting that solution as j omega h of omega plus a into h of omega is equal to 1. So h of omega is equal to 1 by, so now we taking as a common value as h of omega. So we getting that expression j omega plus a. So that we getting that expression h of omega is equal to 1 by a plus j omega. So this is our solution for this expressions. So once again I am repeating this problem for the understanding purpose of yourself. So now I am we in the problem itself they giving the expression dy of t by dt a plus a into y of dt is equal to x of t. Okay, so here the x of t is I am considering the above value only. So that here otherwise the problem will be giving the x of t is equal to e power j omega t. Y of t is equal to e power j h of w. The y of t output is we calculating by ourselves. So we do, so I am just not repeating in this problem. Suppose if they giving that problem only this expression and this means you have to find y of t also by using this formula. This step also repeated in this problem. Here I am just not repeating this formula because I am directly taking the value from this above expression. Okay, so that I am getting the solution y of t is equal to e power j omega t into h of omega. Now I am differentiating this y of t with d by dt. So I am getting that value j omega e power j omega t into h of omega. So j omega e power j omega t into h of t, I am replacing this term. Then I am multiplying this term with, I am substituting y of t in this expression. So I am getting this solution as j omega e power j omega t h of omega plus a e power j omega t h of omega is equal to e power j omega t. Okay, so j omega h of omega plus a h of omega is equal to 1. So h of omega is equal to, we getting that solution. I am taking the constant value, h of omega is constant one. So I am getting that expression 1 by a plus j omega. Okay, so I think everyone can easily understand this problem. So let us move on the next problem. So next problem we considering that here this question is the output of a discrete time linearly time invariant system is given by the discrete type convolutional sum. So convolutional sum, we know that the convolutional formula is y of n is equal to, convolutional formula is it denoted in the term of k variable. So summation of h of k x of n minus k. So here the x of n value is I am considering z power n. Okay, so z power n, so considering our value as z power n, so y of n is equal to, we substituting that the value h of k. We know that x of n is replaced by z of n. So z of n, in this n value we having that of delay expression n minus k. So that I am considering here also n minus k. So that our expression is x of k z power n minus k. So z power n summation of k x of k z power minus k. So this entire expression is now in the form of stability or linearity property. So we writing this expressions z power n into h of z. Okay, so this is another problem. Here this entire sum is replaced by h of z. So this formula is from our Fourier series expression. So I am replacing this in the term of z transformation z power n into h of z. Okay, then we move on with the next problem. You just not considering this, that the first order differential equation in the form of y of n plus a into y of n minus 1 into x of n. Here we considering x of n is equal to, if the x of n value is a z power n, then y of n value is, we know that. I am taking this solution also from the above expression, so that the time for reducing the time I am considering. Suppose the question in the exam they are giving this expressions and this value, you have to find this part also on this part, and then you move on with the next step. Okay, so y of n is equal to z power n into h of z, hence y of n minus 1 is equal to z power n minus 1 into h of z. Okay, so now we considering this equation. So y of n is equal to n minus 1. So like this only. Okay, that only we getting that expression as z power n minus 1 into h of z. Y of n we getting that solution z power n into h of z. So that I am substituting this value for the above expression. So y of n is equal to z power n into h of n. this a into y of n minus 1 is equal to a into z power n minus 1, because the delay expression is n minus 1, so that the power also getting n minus 1, a into z power n minus 1 into h of z is equal to z power n. So this expressions will substitute like this. Okay, so we taking commonly outside as h of z, so that our expression is 1 plus a z power minus 1 is equal to 1. So h of z is equal to 1 by 1 plus a power z. So this is our solution for this expression. Okay, so here we considering only this formula for the entire problem, that is summation of h of n into z power n or h of k into z power n minus k. So this is the very important formula for this expressions. Okay, then we move on with the next problem. X of t is equal to sine 10 pi t plus pi by 6. Okay, so here the pi of t will be coming, so it will be comes under the fundamental frequency formula repetitions. So here the sine value, we know that the sine theta can also written as e power theta by 2j minus e power theta. So e power plus theta minus e power minus theta by 2. So I am rearranging this term as here pi by 6. Okay, so this pi by 6, this value is I am taking as 2 pi into 5. So 2 pi t into 5 means that is nothing but 10 pi. So for our convenient, I am changing this expressions like this. So this sine theta will be, first theta will be positive and second theta will be negative. So rearranging this term because the sine theta expression is nothing but e power theta minus e power minus theta by 2j. So this is the expression for sine theta. Okay, so I am considering in this theta value, we having that value as 10 pi t plus pi by 6. Okay, so e power j pi by 6 by 2j, e power I am considering this as pi by 6 as 1 theta and this theta is 10 pi t. So for our convenient, I am considering this, I am separating this term as 2 pi into 5. Okay, like that. So we replacing in this formula, we getting this expression like this: e power j pi by 6 by 2j e power j 2 pi t into 5 minus e power minus j pi by 6 by 2j e power minus j pi 2 pi t into 5. Okay, so here the 2 pi is a fundamental frequency, so that so that we getting that expression as we having the constant value. So ak is equal to ak term. Okay, so here I am considering this ak term e power j pi by 6 by 2j and minus term is equal to e power minus j pi by 6 by 2j. Okay, so this entire term getting that value of 0. So ak constant value is 0, so that the entire formula will getting that 0 value. So we know not to substitute in this formula and proceed on with our calculations. Okay, so this entire term will get 0. So here the same formula x of t is equal to 1 plus cos 2 pi t. Here the sine value, here we considering this as cos 2 pi t. So we know that the cos theta also, but this value only getting plus. In cos theta, the same expressions, but here not minus, this will get plus. Okay, so that so they rearranging this cos 2 pi t as e power j 2 pi t by 2 plus e power minus j 2 pi t by 2. So omega naught is equal to 2 pi a power minus 1 is equal to a1 by a1 equal to 1 by 2, a naught is equal to 1. For all the k values of is equal to 0, k of s is equal to 0, so that we getting that expression in the above equations, we getting that a minus 1 and a1 is equal to 1 by 2. So we considering in the summation form, ak value will get 0, so that